Hey Hustle Hive, welcome back to Full House Full Hustle, the channel where I help you find remote work opportunities that fit your life, your family. If you're looking for a remote job that pays up to $24 an hour, no phones, and is all about data entry, stay locked in because you've come to the right place. Today's hot data entry job is from We Work Remotely, one of the most reliable platforms for finding legitimate remote work. Let's break down the details so you can decide if this is the perfect fit for you. So we are looking at a remote data entry clerk with the company No Giddity. They're looking for a professional who can help maintain accurate and up-to-date information in their databases and systems. The ideal candidate that they're looking for is someone who has excellent typing skills, an eye for detail, and the ability to work independently. Like most data entry jobs, this role is crucial for ensuring that data is reliable and easily accessible to their team members and their clients. Key responsibilities that they mention here is accurately entering data into different databases and systems from certain documents within time limits. Review data for deficiencies or errors and correct any of those errors. Verifying data by comparing it to source documents. Updating existing data and retrieve data from databases as they request. Perform regular backups and ensure data preservation. Organize and maintain files and records for efficient data retrieval. Collaboration here with other team members to address any discrepancies or issues within data entry. And like most companies, maintaining confidentiality. It's super important, especially with sensitive information. Now, they do want you to have some experience as a data entry clerk or something similar. They want you to have excellent typing speed and accuracy, strong attention to detail so you can spot those errors. They do want you to be proficient in using certain software like Microsoft Office Suite, so Word, Excel, things like that. This is what's great about this role is you can work independently as long as you're meeting deadlines. Strong organizational and time management skills are important here, and they want you to have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. Now, some preferred qualifications which would highlight you as a candidate is that you already have experience working remotely and with different virtual tools, that you're familiar with data protection regulation and best practices. Compensation. They are paying up to $24 an hour. You get to work from home and have flexible work hours. There's opportunity for development, growth. They have a really great culture, and they have access to the latest technology to help individuals perform well in their role. This is a fantastic opportunity for anyone who loves working from home and enjoys quiet, focused work. To apply for this role, head over to We Work Remotely. I'll also drop the link in my description. Be sure to highlight your resume, including skills such as typing and attention to detail. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to provide examples of previous work where you've managed data and you were able to organize your work. This gives you an advantage and you stand out from other competitors and other competition. So if this job sounds like a good fit for you, don't wait, apply now, as this job recently posted on their website. And keep hustling for the life and freedom that you deserve. Until next time.